welcome back. Today we are playing Battle Glide again. My first few videos are going to be Battle Glide since that's the VR game I'm most used to because I'm very good at this game. But don't worry, this isn't going to be the only game I play on my channel. I have a lot more games I want to show you guys. But for now, I'm going to stick with this for a couple more videos. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. If you're wondering, yes, there's probably a reason my mic audio sounds a little bit worse. Unless it doesn't, I don't know. Because I think it does, because I'm not using, like, my actual microphone. I'm just speaking, hoping my VR picks it up and makes it sound good. But, you know, I'm just hoping. Okay, so there's one big thing that I did last time that I want to do again. Fight. I want to fight. And I go to that one all the time, so I am going to go to the hardest one. Because it's like the absolute biggest. Come on, that would have been so cool if I somehow went over that. What if my boundary could be appearing? I thought it was bigger than that. So much bigger than that. I don't know what it is. That's something I don't like about the MetaQuest 3. The boundaries for stationary are so small. I feel like my boundary is smaller than me. I'm not joking. If I laid down, my body would probably be bigger than the barrier. Why, hello? Oh. Huh? Why is this happening? Why did I grab him? Okay. Done. Now let's go. Okay, I really gotta fix this boundary. What's going on here? No. That would have been so cool if I. Why? No. Come on, you already saw me? Well, too bad. You guys are in luck. I've come with an extra plate of punches today. On the house. Since you guys like free stuff, I can tell that. Because, you know, you're bad guys, you probably rob banks, do stuff like that. So, I'm going to bet you love free stuff because it doesn't make you spend any of your money. So, like free diamonds to steal. Well, I don't know if you stole any diamonds, but don't you guys just work for a secret organization that's bad? Well, you still work for somebody who's bad, so you're bad. Like I always say, your company bad, you bad. Oh! Dang it, I'm out. Okay. Where? Goodbye. I did it. I saved the world. Are you guys excited for Battle Glide 4.0? Probably by the time I'm posting this is out. It's probably out. I hope it is. Because I'm probably going to be posting this in late February. You know, I haven't come up with my upload schedule yet. I'm planning on when I become more stable, like when I can make videos quicker, I'm going to try to upload every Monday. But right now I can only upload like once a month. Because, you know, I'm new to this. This is like the first legitimate thing that I've really done. Ooh, newspaper. 4 out of 12. Wow. I need 3 times more than that. Okay, I'm tired of this boundary. Like, no, I didn't mean to punch him. I just meant to put my hand out the boundary. Because, look, it's so small. Give me 1 second, everybody. Make new boundary. This is humiliating. I don't know why I'm recording me just making a boundary. Yay! I did it! I have good boundary now. Sorry for that interruption, but, you know, like I said, no stable, me. By the time I'm posting this, I'm hoping my first video is doing well. But I just posted it at the day of recording this. It just came out at like 5 p.m. So, yeah. If people like that, then this might come out sometime in early February. Might not look like this because, you know, I'm not sure this is going to be the one. Because I do like 10 videos before I decide which one. Because for the first video, I did at least 7 videos to decide which one was going to be my first video. And I think I made the right choice. Ooh. This almost looks like I'm not meant to do something with it. But I want to do stuff. Away I go. Try, little bro. Come here. Good, you regret what you have done because you're dead. That's gonna go away. Woohoo! I can fly now. I can fly. I can fly. I'm flying, everybody. I'm flying. Oh, that was an accident, ma'am. Are you okay? I'm sorry. I can't stop this thing. Ha! Ha! Woohoo! I made a pogo stick, everybody. Guys, you can have a pogo stick in Battle Glide now. Just, yeah, do. Ta-da! Ah! Woo! Yahoo! Wah! Oof! Are you okay? I'm pulled. Yeah. I was originally just gonna use this for fun to like hit bad guys with, but I just used it as a pogo stick and decided that was fun. Out of my way, everybody! I have a pogo stick. Hey guys, look at this is my new car. I hate your dumb car. Your car isn't even made. Your car isn't even a metal pipe. Everybody, go to Ulu and you. Oh yeah. Hey guys. You let me use my pogo stick. Don't you realize how amazing it is that I have a pogo stick? Well, guys, I think that's enough for today. Enough messing around and enough just overall. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe. And if you don't like it too much and you want to wait till my future videos to see if you want to subscribe, just like the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.